Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making the ultimate Pakistani comfort food, curry pakora. Crispy fritters simmered in a spiced yogurt curry. It's a favorite dish in every Pakistani home. Serve it with rice or bread and get ready for pure dil ka sukoon. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of besan, gram flour. From 2 liters of water, gradually add about 2 cups into the besan. Whisk well until the mixture is smooth and lumps free. Add 1 kg of whisked yogurt. Add the remaining water. Give it a quick mix and set the mixture aside. In a large cooking pot, heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 medium finely chopped onion and saute until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of salt or to taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. Fry the spices for a few minutes. Then pour in the yogurt besan mixture. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Then add 2 whole green chilies. Cover and cook on low heat for 1 or 1.5 hours. In a mixing bowl, add 1 medium sliced onion. Add 1/3 cup of chopped fresh coriander. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of anardana, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 3 chopped green chilies. Add 2 cups of besan. Mix, then gradually add water to make a thick, smooth batter. Heat oil over medium flame. Fry the pakoras in batches until golden and crispy. Remove onto the paper towels to drain excess oil. Once the curry has reduced to about half and cooked for 1 and 1.5 hours, add the fried pakoras. Stir gently and simmer on low heat for another 3 to 5 minutes. Add fresh chopped coriander. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, heat 1 4 cup of oil. Add 1 small sliced onion. Then add 2 to 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. Add 3 to 4 whole dried red chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Optionally add fresh curry leaves if available. Fry until golden and aromatic. Then pour the tadka over the curry. And there you go, your amazing curry pakora is ready. Serve hot or cold with rice or naan. If you love this comforting recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy cooking and see you next time.